In a world where the pursuit of longevity has become a growing obsession, the women of Okinawa, Japan, have quietly held the secrets to a long, healthy life for generations. Renowned for their exceptional life expectancy and vitality, these women offer invaluable insights into how we might all live longer and healthier lives. This article delves into the life of Gozei Shinzato, a 104-year-old Okinawan woman, to uncover the dietary habits, lifestyle choices, and social factors that have contributed to her remarkable health and longevity. Okinawa, a picturesque archipelago in the Pacific Ocean, has long been celebrated for its population of centenarians. With its warm climate, lush landscapes, and laid-back lifestyle, Okinawa is often likened to Japan's version of Hawaii. However, it is not just the island's natural beauty that has garnered attention, it is the extraordinary life expectancy of its inhabitants. Okinawans, particularly women, have some of the highest life expectancies in the world. Women in Okinawa can expect to live nearly 90 years, while men live to around 84, figures that far surpass those of many other developed nations. But what makes the Okinawans so exceptional? The answer lies in a combination of factors, including diet, lifestyle, and social cohesion, all of which are exemplified by the life of Gozei Shinzato. Gozei Shinzato is no ordinary woman. At 104 years old, she possesses the flexibility of a yogi and the boundless energy of someone decades younger. Her life offers a fascinating glimpse into the habits and practices that have allowed her to defy the odds and enjoy such exceptional health. Shinzato's longevity is not the result of modern medicine or expensive supplements, but rather the simple, time-honored traditions that have been passed down through generations in Okinawa. After much persistence, Shinzato shared the secrets of her longevity, which she attributes to a handful of natural compounds found in her kitchen garden. These supplements are not pills or powders, but rather everyday foods like Okinawan sweet potatoes, soybeans, mugwort, turmeric, and goya, bitter melon. Each of these foods plays a crucial role in maintaining her health and vitality. The power of a plant-based diet. Central to Shinzato's diet is the imo, or Okinawan sweet potato. This purple or yellow tuber, which arrived in Okinawa from the Americas some 400 years ago, has become a staple of the Okinawan diet. High in flavonoids, vitamin C, fiber, carotenoids, and slow-burning carbohydrates, the imo is a nutritional powerhouse. Before 1940, more than 60% of the calories consumed by Okinawans came from this humble root vegetable. Its low glycemic index ensures a steady release of energy, while its rich antioxidant content helps combat the oxidative stress associated with aging. In addition to sweet potatoes, Shinzato's diet includes a variety of other plant-based foods, such as tofu, miso, shiitake mushrooms, and seaweed. Tofu, in particular, is a cornerstone of the Okinawan diet. The average Okinawan consumes 8 times more tofu than the average American, benefiting from its heart-protective properties. Soy products like tofu are rich in isoflavones, which have been shown to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Another key component of Shinzato's diet is turmeric, a spice known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as Alzheimer's and cancer, both of which are relatively rare in Okinawa. Shinzato's diet is not just about what she eats, but also how she eats. Before every meal, she recites the Confucian adage, Hara Hachi Bu, a reminder to stop eating when she is 80% full. This practice of mindful eating helps prevent overeating and ensures that her body is not burdened with excess calories, a key factor in maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding diet-related diseases. The role of social cohesion. While diet plays a significant role in Shinzato's longevity, it is not the only factor. Equally important is the strong sense of community and social support that characterizes life in Okinawa. Shinzato is a member of a moai, a group of lifelong friends who have committed to supporting one another throughout their lives. This sense of social obligation, known as yui maru, is deeply ingrained in Okinawan culture. Research has shown that strong social ties are associated with better health outcomes and increased longevity. The emotional and practical support provided by a close-knit community can help reduce stress, improve mental health, and even boost the immune system. For Shinzato, her moai has been a source of comfort and stability, particularly during difficult times, such as the death of her husband 46 years ago. In addition to her moai, Shinzato remains active in her community, frequently receiving visits from neighbors and participating in social gatherings. This regular interaction with others helps keep her mentally sharp and emotionally fulfilled. The impact of Westernization. While the traditional Okinawan lifestyle has much to teach the world about longevity, it is not without its challenges. Following World War II, Okinawa experienced significant changes due to Western influences and economic prosperity. These changes brought about a shift in dietary habits, with increased consumption of rice, bread, milk, and meat. Between 1949 and 1972, the average Okinawan's daily calorie intake increased by 400 calories, leading to a rise in diet-related diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Despite these challenges, older Okinawans like Shinzato, whose dietary habits were established before the influx of Western food, have largely maintained their health and longevity. However, the younger generation faces a different reality, with higher rates of obesity and chronic diseases. This shift highlights the importance of preserving traditional dietary practices and the need for public health initiatives to address the impact of Westernization. Lessons for the modern world. The story of Gozei Shinzato and the women of Okinawa offers valuable lessons for those seeking to improve their health and extend their lifespan. First and foremost, it underscores the importance of a plant-based diet rich in whole foods like sweet potatoes, tofu, and vegetables. These foods provide essential nutrients that support overall health and help protect against chronic diseases. Additionally, the Okinawan practice of mindful eating, as exemplified by the principle of hara hachi bu, can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy weight. This simple yet powerful habit encourages us to listen to our bodies and eat in moderation, which is crucial for maintaining long-term health. The role of social connections in longevity cannot be overstated. The strong sense of community and mutual support that exists in Okinawa is a key factor in the well-being of its residents. In a world where social isolation is becoming increasingly common, fostering close relationships and building supportive networks can have a profound impact on our health and longevity. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below.